Okay, AB33, BC47. Okay, this is the one I call the flip. Okay, so we have the original function and we have the inverse, which they're calling g of x. Okay, so this is the inverse over here. Okay, they're asking for the slope or the derivative at this point. But you have to remember, flip, two things. The x coordinate on the inverse is really the y coordinate on the original. You're going to try to find the x coordinate there and then find its slope and then flip it for your final answer. So your final answer is going to be this guy. The other trick about this one is they don't give you the x coordinate and there's more than one possible answer. So we're going to plug in that y is 2 on the original function right here. And then we're going to solve that, but we're going to find that there's 2 answers, which means there's 2 answers to this question, but only one of them will be actually an option. Okay, set this equal to 0 and factor. Okay, so to get a -2, okay, got this. All right, now I'm going to set each of these equal to 0. This one gives me -1/3, and this one gives me x equals 1. That means that this point can be -1/3, 2, or it could also be 1, 2. So I need to find 2 sets of answers, flip that slope, and see which one is available. Okay? So now I'm going to find the slope at each of these points, and I might as well start with the easier one. I'm going to start with 1. Okay, I'm going to find my derivative up here. Okay. The derivative would be 6x minus 2. I'm going to plug in the 1. And if necessary, also the -1/3 and find the slope there and flip. So plugging in the derivative at 1, you'd get 6 minus 2 or 4. Flip it, and this answer would be 1/4. And it turns out that's one of the choices. So that has to be the answer. I'll go ahead and plug in the -1/3 just to show you the other option isn't available. So now doing the exact same thing, saying, hey, maybe they messed up, there's another answer. Let me try to find the derivative at -1/3. And that would be -2 minus 2, which is -4. And flip that, and you would get an answer of -1/4, which isn't an option. Okay, so there really are 2 answers, but only one was available. Hope that helped.